The Limitation Act. The Limitation Act 1963 is an important legislation in India that governs the time limits for filing legal claims. To crack down on a judicial exam, it is important to have a good understanding of the following topics related to the Limitation Act. Definition of limitation. The Act defines limitation as the time within which a legal claim must be brought to the court. Limitation periods. The Act sets out the limitation periods for different types of legal claims, such as suits for recovery of property, suits for recovery of debts, and suits for specific performance. Computation of limitation periods. The Act provides for the computation of limitation periods, including the calculation of the starting and ending dates of the limitation period, and the exclusion of certain days from the computation of the limitation period. Tolling of limitation periods. The Act provides for the tolling of limitation periods, including the circumstances under which the limitation period may be suspended or extended, and the rights and duties of the parties during the tolling of limitation period. Extinguishment of limitation periods. The Act provides for the extinguishment of limitation periods, including the methods of extinguishment such as waiver, estoppel, and prescription. Evidence of limitation periods. The Act sets of the evidence of limitation periods, including the admissibility of evidence and the proof of limitation periods. It is important to study the relevant provisions of the Limitation Act, cases interpreting the Act, and legal concepts related to limitation in order to be well prepared for a judicial exam. Additionally, practicing past exams and answering sample questions can help you to develop your legal reasoning and test taking skills.